Peace out, Edizon. This is my channel. Today we're gonna look into very analog sounding plugin Kush True Iron. And I'm gonna do a sound demo. I asked from Google, yeah, this is AI summary. Yes, Kush True Iron is considered good for vocals, as it adds analog warmth, character, and fullness to make them sound more realistic and less digital. Many users apply it subtly to individual vocal tracks or even the mix bus to achieve this effect. I have this one mix bus print from original track. This is gonna be Finnish language to those who don't speak Finnish language. This is transformer based. This is gonna like a transformer DNA analog emulation. This is my interpretation. I'm all for the sound. I'm not deeply looking into what are those. I'm interested in that, yes. But it's not the mission of the video. Mission of the video is always getting you a warmer and crispier sound and maybe also show how I achieve my sounds. I've been using this now with mastering, with view tracks.
I'm gonna be the guy you take home. After all, you're gonna feel my.
Then we add True Iron here. Let's put it here. Nice. So this is how the plugin looks. We only gonna look basically these two transformers because online it states that this is good for clarity, but some analog warmth. But this is for the vintage analog warmth. We're using this DNA. This morph states enables harmonic structure morphing during strength changes. We put that on. And unity is more, it's more grounded. Boost is more heavier. I press 2x so it's more pronounced, so you will hear it. So a Finnish example with 100% mix level. I keep it like this. Let's see how it sounds.
Kai ollaan enemmän kuin kavereita, en vaan osaa susta luopua. Jonain päivänä uusin silmin, jos vielä katsot minua. Tiesin, että oot vain unelmaa, en ois saanut itselleni valehdella. Ei taida mennä aikaakaan, kun oot jo jonkun toisenkaan. Siirry seuraavaan, ihan kuinka vaan. Ei meistä mitään tullut kuitenkaan. Ollaan ystäviä, pidän suuni kiinni. Vaikka sul ois valtaa mun tunteisiin. Vaikka sut on vaikea unohtaa. Mulle löytyy monta seuraavaa. Voinko ystävyytees luottaa, jos ne mut korkealta pudottaa? Ei multa menisi aikaakaan, et olisin jonkun toisenkaan.
That's quite tasty setting what I came up with. So I ended up using this maybe a little bit more clearer. This is more analog again. This is more clearer. I can go over and listen to those others. Let's do that.
Kai ollaan enemmän kuin kavereita, en vaan osaa susta luopua. Jonain päivänä uusin silmin, jos vielä katsot minua. Tiesin, että oot vain unelmaa, en ois saanut itselleni valehdella. Ei taida mennä aikaakaan, kun oot jo jonkun toisenkaan. Siirry seuraavaan, ihan kuinka vaan. Ei meistä mitään.
As you heard, this adds this clear tube kinda. Even though it's transformer. Maybe it's tube-based using transformers. I don't know. It's interesting.
Kai ollaan enemmän.
That is more clearer, and this is very dirty.
Kai ollaan enemmän kuin kavereita, en vaan osaa susta luopua. Jonain päivänä uusin.
I feel like, I really deeply do feel it does round the sound up. It's a little maybe too pronounced now. I might use it a little bit like this, adding the mix level a little bit lower. Let's do this. I'm gonna put this here. Let's have also this playlist somewhere here. Here. Let's put it like here. And we're gonna go monitor a little bit later stages. Like here. Put it here. A little bit cleaning this layout. So let's monitor with it and let's hear the high end.
Voinko ystävyytees luottaa?
I try to go along this -36 line. So it's then comparable.
Voinko ystävyytees luottaa, jos ne mut korkealta pudottaa? Ei multa menisi aikaakaan, et olisin jonkun toisenkaan. Voinko ystävyytees luottaa, jos ne mut korkealta pudottaa?
Okay, test it without it.
Voinko ystävyytees luottaa, jos ne mut korkealta pudottaa? Ei multa menisi aikaakaan, et olisin jonkun toisenkaan.
Sorry.
Voinko ystävyytees luottaa, jos ne mut korkealta pudottaa? Voinko ystävyytees luottaa, jos ne mut korkealta pudottaa? Voinko ystävyytees...
Yeah, it is a little bit more brittle when you don't have it on. So it is again. I'm just gonna say the conclusion here. I just think it's one of those very analog plugins and it really does help you round the sound up. Especially when we have these cheaper USB audio interfaces. Like I have a Steinberg UR22 Mark II version of it. And I'm running this, what I'm speaking currently on, this is Rode NT1A microphone. So it's kind of very high heavy. Many people think it's very high quality for its price. Like, it's very high quality microphone for its price, I say. But it's a little brittle there. This is what microphone Melinda used here.
Voinko ystävyytees luottaa?
This is one tool you can use. I have a big bank
I got a small waist, pretty face with a big bang. Look how you hating on a bitch and you my mama ain't.
of analog plugins what I can use to achieve similar results. But this is one really warm sounding tool to help you glue things together and make it sound rounder. You don't have to start needling so much.
Voinko ystävy... Voinko ystävy...
You know.
Voinko
You don't have to start doing this stuff too much, or you don't have to make it sound too buttery, because many people these days are trusting too much some of these plugins, you know, doing stuff like this. This is horrible. This is gonna make it sound so buttery. Listen to this.
Voinko ystävyytees luottaa, jos ne mut korkealta pudot?
This is not gonna be good sound. Of course we can go more sharpness, maybe faster, like this. And
Siirry seuraavaan, lihan kuinka vaan. Mitä ikinä sä haluat?
it's not good when you have music on the background. It starts sounding, it doesn't cut through, and it doesn't, like, the thing is with mixing, this is how I see it. You're playing with the mix, the speakers. These instruments, this vocal, this guitar, this drum, they are playing the speakers. You're trying to play the speakers. This is just playing it less.
Siirry seuraavaan, lihan...
And it doesn't sound good. It sounds so artificial. It actually has that same sheen what AI tracks have. Anyway, we're gonna leave it there. It's a nice plugin. I think it's 5 out of 5. It's good to have options for different instances, so we have different DNAs. Always remember to bring the DNA in. Thank you for watching. Hopefully it was helpful. Subscribe, like, share the video. Peace out!